Hey guys, today I am replanting this City Pickers grow box. It's very similar to the Earthbox grow system, and I am not using the replant kit that you can order off Earthbox, but I did order the um, mulch cover things, and we're going to see how well they work with the City Pickers compared to the Earthbox Junior. But I am using the Google instructions that I found online, how to kind of like mimic what's in the Earthbox kit because I have some garden lime on hand and I want to go ahead and use that and get it done. And I have two of these boxes. So hopefully we'll see if the Google instructions are pretty accurate and I can get my eggplants growing this year. Thing I did try to do last year, you see a lot of DIYs on how to kind of redo the covers and stuff. I did take just a regular heavy duty black trash bag. So anyway, it's just a trash bag. And honestly, I probably could get away with using this one more year. Just doing it like this because it's not that different than the ones you order from Earthbox. And it basically looks like a shower cap, guys. I do not think it's going to fit on this box. I really don't. So the first thing you want to do is remove the debris. Now they also say something about removing the fertilizer strip, but I honestly never can find the fertilizer strip. But then again, I don't use the replant kits. I mix in my own fertilizer. Do you guys use grow boxes like these? These are so convenient because the watering tube and the reservoir in the bottom and the grate that we're getting down to right there. These are really handy to have, especially like in small gardens, because I don't know if you've seen what all people can grow in these, or maybe you have yourself. You can grow tomatoes in these things. You can grow, I'm going to do an eggplant. It says you can do two per box. I'm just going to do one. I am going to put something else in. I don't know if I'm going to put a green in or a flower. I may do a flower. I may do a marigold. I'm not sure. But right now, I'm just worrying about getting these eggplants in because these eggplants are ready to go. Ready to rock. There's the watering tube, which people make these. You can make them with PVC pipe and storage totes even. And you know, I love a good storage tote. So I bought this one and another one just like it about 4-5 years ago. And the larger one that I have, I've had that for going on 2 to 3 years. So they're pretty durable. They don't break, unlike some of those other $5 little pots that I have that are splitting. Anyway, and here's the grate. So, of course, I didn't have a bunch of roots. I don't know what I grew in this last year. Just going to add in some of my soil mix that I made. And again, it's either peat moss, it's wherever I can find peat moss, coconut coir. I use some of the perlite and then earthworm castings. I'm adding in eggshells as well. So now we're going to mix in 1 cup of garden lime, 1 tablespoon of plain Epsom salt. I'm going to make sure that it's unscented and doesn't have anything else added in. This has the magnesium that garden lime is lacking. And then you just mix it all in that top layer. And then you want to form a mound. Oh, I guess that's the fertilizer from last year. Oh, and then there's a little thing of corn. Anyway, you want to mound this up. I was supposed to mount it up before all this, but that's okay. I kind of don't follow instructions 100%. Do you? Because most gardeners, we kind of just, I guess there's some that just follow it right to the T, and then there's others that, kind of just wing it. And I'm using a cup of 10-10-10 fertilizer. I bought a huge bag of it last year. That's what I got on hand. It may not be what they recommend, but it's what I got on hand. So now, you know what I forgot to do? Rookie mistake. Let's see if I can fix it without having to pull all of this out. Oh, God. Sometimes, I swear, it gets so frustrating. It's time for the fertilizer. So, I think I fixed this. Oh, hope I remember on the next one. Anyway, I want my fertilizer, or they suggest your fertilizer go complete opposite side as your watering tube. Because I'm going to use one plant, I'm going to go right here. Now, if you were doing rows, you can do in the center, from what I've read, or on the sides. But you want to stay away from this as much as possible. But because I'm going to go center, I'm just going to make my trench right here. And if you were using new soil going into these, obviously you need to moisten it. Mine has been sitting out here, and I honestly, could have just replanted it. I feel like a cup is too much, but that's what it's saying. So we're gonna just go with what they said. I feel like it's too much, guys, but Google knows, right? We'll see. Then you just cover it up. We're gonna see if the Earthbox Junior, I keep wanting to call it a shower cap now, mulch cover is going to fit. Now I'm assuming that these holes right here, which, yeah, I tried to put it on the other day. I'm still not sure I'm doing it right. Anyway, these two holes, I believe, are for that, which I don't know why there's two. I guess it's actually made for two different boxes. You can do the square one, supposedly, the junior one. Just don't see how this is going to fit. Oh, did I get something? Did I get it? Did I get it? I didn't get it. It's still not really fit. I'm struggling here. It's so close. Look, it just right there on the edge. You know what? Gonna try it. So now it's time to put her right here. The ones that came with the city picker is a cloth. And I was shocked on, so you know what? Just reorder from the correct company that you bought. All right, that's big enough for you. And this is Black Beauty eggplant. Nice root system. It's pretty awkward to plant a grown plant into this. We're in like Flynn, and I'm going to stake her after I get the other one done.